How to fix Look Outside crashing on Steam. First, you'll need to go to the library, right-click on the game, go to the Properties window, and then go to Installed Files and click on Verify the Integrity of Game Files. Now, once you're done, you can go to the General tab again. So for example, go to the General tab, and then you will need to type the following command under Launch Options, -dx11, like this. And then you can close out of the window. Now you will need to go to your GPU application. So if you have an NVIDIA GPU, you will need to download and install NVIDIA app. Go to the drivers section, and from here, download and install the latest Game Ready driver. You can also try to manually reinstall it if you have the latest one already. And then you will need to open up your browser and search for Redis. Click on the first link, and then scroll down to this table and make sure to download the 86 and the 64 version. Install both of them right here. And once you're done, you'll simply need to restart your system and then just open up Steam as admin before launching the game. Right click on Steam and run as admin. And then you can simply launch the game, and that should fix the crash problem. Thanks for watching and subscribe.